Hey guys, I am here with the most awaited video, which would help applicants to check their application status by calling IRCC. In this video, I will tell you about how to check the status of your student or visitor file which is already submitted in Canadian Embassy without GC key. All type of visa application status can be checked using this application, such as student, visitor, or permanent residency application. I will also share a mobile application link, which is absolutely free to use and calls can be made IRCC from outside Canada. The application name is TextNow. This application could be used to call IRCC to check your application status if you do not live in Canada. It is absolutely free to use and you can download it using a link, which I will add and pin on our Twitter page and into our Telegram group description. In case you do not find the link anywhere, you can send me a message, I will provide the link to you. The direct application download link is not available for iPhone users. It can only be downloaded for them from App Store. There are some steps that you need to follow in order to check your application status. First step is to download the TextNow application. Then install the TextNow application on your mobile. Do the sign up. The last is to call IRCC on 1-888-242-2100 to check the status by follow the given instruction by IVR. I will also provide the numbers that need to be pressed. But IRCC keeps changing the IVR settings, so you can listen to the computer-generated voice and select the appropriate numbers. Let's start with the first step. First of all, download the mobile application by the given link. The application is downloaded now. Click on Open button here, and then Install button on next screen. Now the app is installed. Open the app and you will see an option to sign up and log in. Click on Sign Up, it will take you on the next screen which has different sign up option. You can continue with Google account, or Facebook, or sign up with email ID. I am going to use my Google account to log in into the application. This may ask for different permissions on next screen. Click on Allow and wait for some time. It will ask you to select the Google account. Now select Google account and wait for the application to complete the registration. It will take you to the setup screen once the process is done. Now click on Setup and it may ask for various permissions. Click on Allow and proceed on next screen. On this screen, it will ask you to choose location to get a phone number in your area code. You can click on any option. On next screen it asks to agree the 911 terms and condition. Click I agree button. On this screen you will see a list of available free numbers. You can select any phone number and click on Continue button. Here, if you don't see the free number then click on Change area code and enter one of the numbers flashing on screen. I have entered 613 here. Now you will again see the list of free numbers. Select one out of them and click on Continue. We are done with the application setup. Now the next step is to call on IRCC number and follow the instructions. I have recorded an audio call. You can watch the screen recording and listen to the recorded audio. I will guide you where required by flashing text on video screen. Let's watch the recorded audio and listen to the options.
Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, thank you for reaching out to us today.
Bienvenue à Immigration, Réfugiés et Citoyenneté Canada. Merci de nous avoir contactés aujourd'hui. Pour le français, faites le 1.
The Client Support Center is currently closed. Client Support Center agents are available to help you Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. local time. Our automated telephone service is available at all times. You can check the status of your application and receive information on our processing times. General information on immigration and citizenship programs is also available by visiting the IRCC website. Please press 1 to provide your unique client identifier, also known as UCI. If you don't have one, please press 2.
If you are calling regarding Canada's response to the situation in Afghanistan and Ukraine, contact us using the appropriate web form. For the situation in Afghanistan, please use the web form, Special Measures, available on the Canada's response to the situation in Afghanistan pages on our website. For the situation in Ukraine, please use the web form available on the Contact Us page on our website and add the keyword Ukraine 2022 to your inquiry. Or call us at the Canadian number 1-613-321-4243 from inside or outside Canada, Monday to Friday, 6:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Please choose one from the 3 following options. If you have questions about an application or candidate profile that was already submitted to IRCC on how to update your personal information or about replacing an immigration document that was lost or stolen, press 1. If you are experiencing or at risk of experiencing abuse, forced marriage, for information,
Select from one of the 3 following options. For information on the status of your application or your profile to become an Express Entry or International Experience Canada candidate, press 1. To update your contact information or report important changes, press 2. You have submitted an application, or if you were authorized by the applicant to access their information, use this option to obtain the status of the application. Please have the application number ready. This number is unique and usually starts with 1 or 2 letters, followed by a series of digits. Choose one from the 5 following options. If you applied to visit, work, or study, press 1. If you applied to sponsor a relative or become a permanent resident, access this option, please answer a few questions to help us find your application. Please choose the option that corresponds to your application number. If your application number starts with S, press 1. If your application number starts with the help of your telephone keypad, please enter the digits of your application number followed by the pound sign. The number you have entered is. If the number is correct, press 1. If you wish to enter the number again, press 2. Please enter your year of birth. The number you have entered is. If the year is correct, press 1. If you wish to enter the number again, press 2.
Due to COVID-19, IRCC is experiencing processing delays, and we can't give accurate processing times for most types of applications. We're currently prioritizing applications from people who are exempt from travel restrictions. If you'd like to check the status of your application, please press 1.
Now, if your visa is approved, you will hear this message.
Application status you will hear is based on the most recent information available and could change as your application progresses. Your application was received on Thursday, November 18, 2021. We are pleased to confirm that your application was approved. You need to send us your valid passport to finalize your application. Check your messages in your online account for more details. To hear this
If the file is in progress, you will hear this message.
The application status you will hear is based on the most recent information available and could change as your application progresses. Your application was received on Wednesday, April 6, 2022. If we need more information from you, or once a final decision has been made, we will contact you. If you have submitted your application online, or if it is linked to your online account, you will also be informed when there is an update. The review of your eligibility has not started yet. We do not need additional documents. You do not need a medical exam. We will send you a message if this changes. You do not need an interview. We are processing your background check. To hear this information again, press 9. To return to the previous menu, press star. To speak to an agent, press 0.
That was all for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully, now you will able to check your file status by calling on IRCC number. If you feel the information given was helpful, please like and share this video with your friends. If you have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest updates. If you have any question or doubt, then feel free to comment below or reach me at my Instagram account. Links have been given in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. I will meet you in next video.